2008 GMC Yukon XL 1500 SLT. Aluminum sport alloy wheels with good necks and tires, side step running boards, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package, power lift gate, all weather floor liners with cargo mat. Rear DVD entertainment. That's well kept gray leather interior. Wood grain trim throughout. Premium Bose sound system. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Heated driver's seat and passenger seat. Dual automatic air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Just under 178,000 miles. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation. Come by and see us at U Cars.